Aloha everybody, Tracie here. How's it? How you doing today? Nice to see you. Well, today's vikio is about food, mea ai, and we're gonna have a meal, aina, together. And you're like, wait, I thought aina means land. Well, I have a Hawaiian language lesson for you too. Click on the link above. Now, those of you that want to head straight to the mea ai, the food, there's a timestamp below and we'll meet you there. But wait, how come you don't wait for us? Nah, just kidding. So the reason why I wanted to do this vikio is because with so much uncertainty and so much heartbreak due to the COVID-19 pandemic, I thought, what better way than to share aloha and to share love than through food? Hawaiian people, just like many other cultures out there, just like many of you, your ohana, your families, come together and connect through food, right? How many of you have ever heard of or been to a baby's first luau? That's really popular when a baby turns 1 year old. There's a big celebration called a baby luau. That's why I wanted to share a meal with you folks today, to share my aloha and to say, we'll get through this together. Yeah, let you know that I'm thinking about you folks. All right, so the mea ai that we have, I went drive down to Food Land and I got it. But those of you that don't live in Hawaii, no more Food Land. So where are you going to find the foods? So I put some links below this vikio that are similar to the foods that we're going to be eating. I haven't tried those. So if you try them and they're good, they're my ka'i, let us know below. All right, let's get straight to the mea ai, the food. All right, so, what are we eating today? All right, so first we have our pupu, our appetizers, and that is our Kona Big Wave beer and our Maui style potato chips. Woo! And then on the left-hand side, we have our kohala kimchi, and that is our fermented cabbage. And then on the right-hand side, we have our Joe Kim's Takuan, and that is pickled radish. And I don't know why they color it yellow, but if you know, let us know in the description below. And then on the left-hand side, we have our shoyu poke, and that's our raw fish with shoyu or soy sauce. And then on the right side, we have our spicy ahi poke, and that's our raw fish with our sriracha and mayonnaise sauce. And then we have Lomilomi Salmon or Lomi Salmon, and salmon is not found in Hawaii, but it's become a local Hawaiian favorite, and that's with salmon, tomatoes, onions, and green onions. And then of course we cannot forget about our poi, and poi is made from kalo or taro. And if you want to watch my Hawaiian cultural vikio on poi, you can click on that link above. And next we have our Kalua Pig or Kalua pork, and that is pork cooked in an underground oven or an imu. And then here you see some laulau, and that is the tea leaf that is wrapped on the outside to keep in the flavor or the steam, and you wouldn't eat that part, but on the inside of that is some sort of beef, maybe pork, chicken, and sometimes butterfish, which is my favorite, and wrapped in taro leaves. And then finally we have everything plated for you and ready to eat. Doesn't it look ono? Yummy! Wow, so mahalo for joining me today. Man, that was so ono. I still got a little bit poi and lomi salmon left, and I'm gonna eat that up after this vikio is pau. Until next time, you stay safe, and I'll see you again. Aloha. Ahui ho.